so we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into things because I don't want this video to be super long. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do first. Matter of fact, yes I am. I'm gonna do eyes first, and I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids using my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C10. And I kind of want to do something fun with my eyes. Not sure what colors, but we're just gonna get right into it. Let me prime my eyes first, and then I'm gonna take this Japanese concealer brush just to blend that out. Okay, so moving on to eyeshadow, I have two palettes here. The Sweetest Honey palette and the Endless Possibilities. I'm not sure. This one has some pretty shades. It has more shimmers, I think. This one has some really bright colors. I think I may go with this one. It has a lot of bright colors, actually. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go with this one. So I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's called Cherry on Top, and it's really like bright. It kind of looks pink on camera, I think, but it's more of an orangey color. I don't know why it's called Cherry on Top, but anyways, I'm gonna take the small blender brush that is it focusing, this small blender brush by Folklore Beauty, and I'm just gonna tap into that, and I'm just gonna hold on, piece of hair. Anyways, I'm gonna just place this right here. Okay, so to kind of soften this up, I'm gonna use this shade right here. This citrus shade is yellow, and I want to see how this looks. So I don't want to lose like that more reddish color, the first transition shade. So I'm going to go in now with my Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to go back in with the Cherry on Top shade just to kind of work that right back into my crease. I want to kind of deepen up the crease just a little bit, so I'm going to take this shade right here. It's called Plum Baby, and it's like looks more of a cranberry bright red type of color, but it seems a little bit darker than that the first transition shade. But anyways, I'm going to take this Morphe M514 brush, and I'm just going to pick this up and really work it into my crease. I don't even know if these cut creases are even, but they're gonna be even today. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and go back into the Endless Possibilities palette. I don't know, I think I'm looking for an all matte look, so I think I'm just gonna take this. It comes with a little flat brush, and I'm gonna first take this shade right here. I hope it's showing up. It's called Sandy Beach, and it's more of like a creamish white color, And I'm just gonna pick this up and place this right towards the inner portion of my eye and pack that on. I want to see how it looks, and then I'll kind of add another color for a more gradient effect. Gonna go ahead and take the yellow shade, it's called Citrus, and I'm just gonna place that in the other part of the eye, kind of overlapping the two. Okay, so to kind of blend out the corners, I'm just going to go back in with Plum Baby, this shade right here, on my Morphe M514 brush, and just blend out where it ends and meets, just kind of make it a little bit more seamless. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put my liner and lashes on off camera, and I'll be right back to kind of finish up this eye look or the face. Yeah, let me do that. Okay, so I'm gonna jump right into the face. I'm gonna use this Perfect Face Matte Primer by Folklore Beauty. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 334 Warm Sand. I'm going to take my Beauty Blender sponge and just blend it all over. And for concealer, I'm going to use two. I'm going to mix my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 40 Cafe. I'm going to use this contour stick. It's by the Folklore Beauty brand, and it's in the shade Brown 4. going to go ahead and set my face. We're going to wrap things up. I'm going to use my Maybelline. This is the loose shine free powder in the shade Light. Oops. I'm just going to take that same Beauty Blender sponge and just dab in that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and sweep away this powder. I'm going to use this brush by Folklore Beauty. This is like a pointed powder brush. Just going to go ahead and dust that off. Going to take my L'Oreal Infallible powder, and I'm going to use this angle brush just to dab a little bit, tap it off, and I just want to deepen up that contour just a little bit. I'm going to go in with one highlight. I'm going to use two of them. And after I spray my face, I put the second one on. But anyways, I'm going to use this this highlight palette. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but it is by Folklore Beauty. So pretty. I kind of swatched these before, but I want to use this gold shade right here. I'm not sure the name, but I hope it's showing up. Yeah, and I'm just going to take my Anastasia A23 brush and just place that on, like, you know, my forehead, the highest points of my cheeks. Revitalizing Rose Mist. Now I want to go back in with that second highlight. I'm going to use this one up here. Okay, so for lips, I think I'm going to keep it simple since my eyes are super bright. I'm just going to use a lip line. I'm going to use my lip liner by MAC. I don't know why I lost my train of thought. My lip liner by MAC in the shade Cork, and line my lips. Okay, y'all, so I can't find what lipstick I want to do. I'm just about to use my Fenty Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk, and it's gonna have to do for now. So I think this is pretty much it for now. Let me go ahead, comb down my hair. I'm gonna hit you guys with some slow-mos, but definitely hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next video.